So the question is, what is AGI? Artificial General Intelligence AGI, well, it doesn't exist yet. Instead, it is something that is commonly found in movies and television shows where robots and machines live side by side with humans, learning, working, and acting as humans do. Artificial General Intelligence is an advanced form of artificial intelligence that seeks to create machines that are capable of performing any intellectual task that a human being can do. AGI is sometimes referred to as strong AI or full AI because it represents a level of intelligence that goes beyond the specific tasks that most AI systems are designed for. Unlike specialized AI systems that are designed to perform specific tasks, AGI systems are designed to be flexible and adaptable, capable of reasoning, learning, and problem solving across a wide range of domains and situations. They are intended to be autonomous and self-directed, able to operate in complex and dynamic environments, and to exhibit creativity, intuition, and common sense. Well, AGI is still a theoretical concept and no such system currently exists. However, research in AI is steadily advancing towards the goal of creating AGI, and many experts believe that it may be possible within the next few decades. The development of AGI could have a profound impact on society, as it could potentially solve many of the world's most pressing problems, but it could also pose significant risks if not developed and deployed responsibly. To summarize, the term AGI has no broadly accepted precise definition, but has multiple closely related meanings. Example, the capacity of an engineered system to first display the same rough sort of general intelligence as humans, second, display intelligence that is not tied to a highly specific set of tasks, and third, generalize what it has learned, including generalization to contexts qualitatively very different than those it has seen before. And lastly, take a broad view and interpret its tasks at hand in the context of the world at large and its relation to it.